In this video, I'm going to teach you how to update BIOS on your ASRock B450M Pro4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly perform a BIOS update on this model of motherboard from ASRock. Keep in mind that these same general instructions can also be applied to any other model that you have from ASRock or from other manufacturers. So to do this, you will need a USB drive. You will load the BIOS files into the USB drive and then use it to perform the update. Ideally, this USB drive should be formatted in the FAT32 format, aka type. So make sure that you format it in FAT32. So connect it to your PC, right-click the USB drive, and then format. After it has been wiped out all of its data, download the necessary files, so you can find them on the official ASRock website when you look for the B450M Pro4 or any other model of motherboard. Go into the product page for your motherboard, click on Support and then BIOS, and you will find the latest version available of the BIOS. Click on Global or China, and once you have this downloaded, extract it into the USB drive. So you will find the file. If it is on a zip format, make sure that you extract it somewhere and then load it into the USB drive. Once the USB drive has been loaded with the BIOS file, insert it into any of the available USB ports at the back of your motherboard. Now, reboot your PC and access the BIOS interface by pressing the delete key during the boot up process. Once you access the BIOS interface, what you have to do is look for the option to toggle advanced mode. So if you are on easy mode, switch over to advanced. This can be done by clicking or pressing this button or pressing F6 on your keyboard. So when you go into advanced mode, use the tool category at the top. So switch over to Tool and you will find Instant Flash. This will scan all of the devices connected to your motherboard, including the USB drive that has the BIOS files loaded into it. Once it locates the USB drive and consequently the BIOS files, it will appear here and you can choose the option to begin the update. Let this process run uninterrupted and you will have performed the update. I hope I was able to help you on how to update ASRock B450M Pro4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.